Hello guys and welcome back on the channel. Yesterday while I was scrolling YouTube, I found this interesting trading strategy. 99.97% win rate. A really high win rate. And this strategy is from Andrew's trading channel. But is it true? And if it's true, can AI beat this high win rate? Maybe we can achieve 100% win rate? I don't know. So in today's video, as always, and I said it also for the new one on the channel, I'm going to backtest this strategy over years of data and showing you the real average success rate. And after, I'm going to download all the trades and try with a model of artificial intelligence to improve it. And in the end, I will reveal you the final average success rate after all the improvements. So stay until the end of the video to find out if this video it's a holy grail of all trading strategies or it's basically shit. So. But before we start, I remember you that if you want to know more about my software, you want to backtest your strategy, or you want more info about it, write me an email that I will leave in the description. So, I will backtest this strategy on these forex pairs and on the 15-minute time frame as is suggested in this video. I will always leave the video of this YouTuber in the description, so you can check it if you are curious about all the conditions. But I'm going to show you all the trades and you should be able to understand how the strategy works. So let's watch together some example. Let's start with a long one. First of all, what you will need on your chart? You will need two indicators. The first one, simple moving averages. I'm using this one. Then you will need to change the parameters. You will need 10 and 35, and you will selected only these two simple moving average. Then you will need an RSI indicator, so you search RSI is this one, and you will change this value from 14 to 8. And after that you will be ready to trade. So what are the conditions in order to open a position? First of all, you will have to check that the simple moving average 10 goes above simple moving average 35. Here it happens. And then you have to check also that RSI is above 55. And here, as you can see, it's above 55. You can open your long position at the last close, setting your take profit to the last swing high, and stop loss will be set by using a risk to reward ratio of 2. So you have to find your take profit, and then you will adjust your stop loss. And as you can see, it was a success, a really good success. Let's see a short one. Maybe let's start with this one. Okay, as you can see, is simple moving average 10 goes above simple moving average 35, and RSI 8 is below 45. As you can see, it's below 45. You can open your short position at the last close, and as always, setting your stop loss to the last swing low, and stop risk to reward ratio 2 to 1. So now after you set your take profit, you set your stop loss. As you can see, it was a success. Let's see another trade here. As you can see, simple moving average goes above the other one. RSI is below 45. And the candle before the position is opened. So as you can see, 41. Then you can open your position at the last close. And as you can see, setting your stop loss to the last swing low. Here, as you can see, it was a success, another success, 3 successes in a row. Very good strategy or not? How it will perform over years of data? Let's find out together. So, as you can see, 32 as average success rate. Very bad results. It doesn't have a 99% win rate. Very bad. We have a high number of trades, but the strategy is not profitable, and it is not statistically profitable as well, as you can see. Let's see also the validation dataset. As you can see, it was not profitable as well and not statistically profitable. And the average success rate, it's in the confidence interval we calculated before, because the strategy it's pretty simple. So it was not overfitted basically. Okay, as you can see, you would have almost break even. But now it's time to improve it. It's time to use AI to improve it. Can we improve the strategy with AI? Let's find out together. I have already downloaded all the traits, and for today's video, as always, I'm using a long short-term memory. So I say as always because it's the only artificial intelligence model I use on this channel. But maybe in the next video I will use a random classifier model, random forest classifier, sorry. You want me to use always a long short-term memory? You want me to use a random classifier model? Or you want me to go back to the statistical analysis approach? Let me know in the comments. But now, after normalizing all the data and selecting only these columns, so high, low, close, open, EMA 20, EMA 50, EMA 200, simple moving average 35, and then RSI 8, ADX 14, MACD signal, it's time to train the model. They are quite many columns, but maybe by adding more columns we can achieve a better results. I don't know, because there is not a theory, arbitrary rules behind artificial intelligence. You have to experiment with it, maybe with some set associations rules. We can try to improve it. Maybe I could try it for also in the next video. Maybe try with set associations rules algorithm. Maybe an a priori not an a priori algorithm, but I don't remember the names. I have to check for it. So maybe in future videos you will see also set association rules algorithm. So now after downloading, splitting all the data, selecting all the columns, normalizing it, it's time to train the model. The model is always the same I used in the last video, so if you are curious, this one. But now it's time to run again the analysis, run the model on it and see how it performs. So let's see. Okay, as we can see, we obtained an accuracy of 84%. Maybe it's too high and probably the model is overfitted. As we can see, the accuracy on the validation dataset, it's not a good, it's 52, so basically it's like it's trying to guess. And the average success rate was 33.68. So yeah, a good result because it was profitable and before was not. But surely it's not a good result. But let's try with the cell model if we can achieve better results. So let's run again the model and let's see how it performs. Okay, as we can see on the validation dataset, we obtained a 57 as accuracy, and as new cell average success rate, we obtained a 34.79. So yeah, definitely better result than before. But as we can see, the model would have only taken like 400 traits, and maybe new position will be opened now. So we have to test it on new traits, because surely there will be new traits, and we have to see how it performs. So I have already we have to add it to the code, so let's add it. And now it's time to run again the strategy on the test dataset, and let's see how it performs. Okay, as we can see, an average success rate of 30%. Definitely not a good result. As we can see, we have double the traits we predicted, so new ones were opened, and yeah, definitely not a good result. Definitely not. So, what are the conclusions? The conclusions are that this video this strategy doesn't have a 99.97% as average win rate, and also with artificial intelligence I was not able to improve it. But why? Because basically this strategy seems to there's not a pattern behind it. As you can see, if it's not profitable already with default conditions, why would have been profitable with by improving it? Artificial intelligence, it's made to improve it, but there must be a pattern behind it, and as we can see, there is not. Basically, it's a random guess, this trade. There is not a specific pattern. There is not a rule that say, okay, at 60% you will have a such. As you can see, you break even, so it doesn't make sense to try with artificial intelligence also to improve it. So basically, and yeah, basically this video was not a good content. But if you enjoyed this video, I remind you to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!